Hey, what's up guys? Our friends over at GASLAND Chef sent us this 36-inch gas cooktop, specifically model number Pro GH3365SF, and today I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and highlight some of its features. This particular cooktop comes factory ready to be installed to natural gas. However, it can be converted for LP gas, and it includes an electronic ignition that does require a 120 volt outlet. Let's go ahead and reveal it. All right, got some heavy duty grates. Just go ahead and get these moved out of the way so I can show you everything that will be included. Of course, it has all the burners here. So this is a five-burner top. It also has the tape that's needed for installation. This is actually your LP kit to convert it to propane. So it's got the orifices in here for that conversion. And then here's your regulator that's also included as well. And it looks, and you also got the brackets to secure the unit, as well as the Teflon tape for the gas connection. Looks like that's everything there. Let's go ahead and get this moved out of the way. So this is a 304 stainless steel top, which is definitely great. Makes it, I like how it's set up. Looks like you got a little lip around it, which is great for cleaning. And let me just show this to you. The power cord is attached there. That's the power cord for the electronic ignition. And then there's also one more box down here at the bottom, which is your griddle. Get that pulled out as well. All right, let's go ahead and set up the burners so you can see how this will look. If you're packaging yours, be extra careful. Moving these around the ceramic on this, these are very fragile. It doesn't take much. You don't want to drop it and break it, but just like that. These are sealed burners, by the way, as you can see, completely sealed, which is nice. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the griddle as well, which is pretty neat. It's a two-sided griddle, one with the grooves there and then the flat. But I actually really like this griddle. It's nice because it's got a nice big handle that makes it easy to carry, because these definitely can be a little heavy. So you set that. See, set it just like that. This cooktop features a 304 stainless steel surface, which will resist stain, heat, as well as discoloration. Then you're looking at 5 melt-proof zinc alloy knobs. It also has 5 sealed burners, and starting with this front right side is a 4,000 BTU simmer burner. Right behind it is a 7,000 BTU simmer burner. Then across to the other side on the left is another 7,000 BTU simmer burner, which will actually be great for consistent and accurate low heat. Then In the center as well as the front left, you're looking at the high output burners, and the center burner delivers 13,000 BTU, and then the front left side, this one here is a 10,300 BTU burner. I really hope this video helps give you an understanding about GASLAND Chef and their product. They have other appliances. If you're in the market for a cooktop or possibly something else, definitely check them out at gaslandchef.com. And from what I've seen, their prices are great.